So if you're looking to curl your hair without heat or make any sort of wave or texture to it, it's actually pretty simple. What you want to do is you want to make sure that the hair is on the damp side, and that's the entire head. So the best way to do this is you get out of the shower, or you can do it at nighttime, right? But you want to make sure your hair is fairly damp, and it depends on the actual hair length as well. The shorter your hair is, it may be a little more difficult to get any sort of wave or texture. So you need to have a hair length that comes down to at least, this area, or that's about 4.5 to 5 inches in length. And what you want to do is you can use either a hair cutting comb or anything, to section your hair out, but you want to start to take little sections like this, okay? And the smaller the section, the more that piece is going to be curled, right? And then you're going to see a lot more curls if you take more sections of hair. It's somewhat, common sense. But what you want to do is take this section and utilize something like the crafted blow dry cream or any sort of cream of some sort, a styling cream. So you want to take the cream and you want to work it through that section of hair, okay? Each section of hair needs product. That's the most important thing, is you need to have product in the hair. And do it from the very, very scalp and work it through. Then what you want to do is you want to create almost like a twist. You can do little twists like this. And then, believe it or not, let the hair just sit and let it air dry. And what you want to do is the entire head you're going to do this with. So it's finding pieces, finding sections, make sure you have every single piece covered in product, and make sure that you go through every piece of the head in order to make it look as you want. Now what you also can do is you can take these sections of hair like so, put them into almost like a pin curl type formation, where you take the end like this and you're going to loop it around. You're going to roll it all the way down to the scalp, and you can put some sort of like duckbill clip into it to hold it down like that. And what it's going to look like, it's going to look like a little bit of a circular type of section of hair like that. And you can do it throughout the entire head. Now, I mentioned not using any heat. So if you don't want to use heat, then don't use a diffuser. Let this sit overnight. And that's my best suggestion, is because without using heat, you're kind of limited. So you have to let this set in. Do it at nighttime. You're going to wake up and your hair is going to be looking kind of crazy and wild. But then when you take this out and then you go to style it like this, your hair is going to have a lot more movement to it. You're going to have that curl, and you're going to be able to hopefully achieve the look that you are going for.